The double murder mystery in Putnam County continues today. Investigators releasing new details about the woman found in Lake Oconee yesterday, believed to be Shirley Dermond. Noelle Saunders has more on that story and the autopsy results.
After much speculation about the body found Friday by two fishermen in Lake Oconee, dental records now confirm the remains are 87-year-old Shirley Dermond. Putnam County Sheriff Howard Sills says an autopsy done Saturday at the GBI Crime Lab reveals Dermond's cause of death, blunt force trauma to the head. He also says Dermond was dead before her body was dumped into the water. Investigators are now trying to find who may have killed Dermond and her husband, 88-year-old Russell Dermond. He was discovered 2 weeks ago by a neighbor in their Lake Oconee home, decapitated. Authorities continue to search the surrounding area and the lake for his head Saturday with no luck. With the discovery of Shirley's body in the lake, investigators are now speculating whomever did this came to their million-dollar home by boat. The news is a shock for the small community, especially their pastor, David Key, who says they were active community members.
The Dermonds were great people, very salt-of-the-earth kind of folks, very grounded. They weren't pretentious. They weren't showy. They were very popular.
He is in close contact with the Dermonds' 3 adult children. They left the county earlier this week. It's unknown when they'll return. But Key says finding their mother's body is a shock for the family, and it seems to have stunned everyone in Edenton.
I just hope they get to the bottom of it, because this is a quiet community. People feel safe, and you know, so it's just a surprise to everyone.
Sheriff Howard Sills says investigators are nearly through processing the home. No leads yet on the case, but Sills said in yesterday's press conference that finding Shirley will help his team further the investigation. Sills has referred to the Dermonds as the all-American couple, making this case unusual for him to track a suspect.